I will talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Prime Video app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. And when you click here on settings, it's going to show for you list like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down, then you click here on apps. Come to apps list here, in there you're looking for Prime Video app, or just click on search. Then here at Prime Video app, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click here on for stop, then you click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage. Come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here. Then you search here for Amazon Prime Video. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.